So, learning a language is harder than you might think it is. Because in the beginning the basics are very simple, but then when you go on and on, it just gets a little boring and you lose motivation. And that's I also find out with me. Because I've been learning German for the past 2 years and it kind of stopped. I had lost some motivation and didn't know how to move on. But then I found an application which is called Duolingo, where I can learn German step by step, but the lessons take not a lot of time. And then after some time I actually evolved my way of learning German. I combined language learning with fitness lessons, which are just like push-ups, sit-ups, crunches and maybe planks in between the learning sessions of German. And I'll just show it to you. So first we'll take one lesson in Duolingo, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes of your time, which isn't a lot. And then we'll try doing 5 to 10 push-ups or maybe 10 sit-ups or just 10 squats. And after that take another lesson and another set of push-ups. Then just repeat. And you'll find out that language learning isn't just a boring thing which takes a lot of your time, but can also be a great thing of improving your physical health. But there's a catch. Don't expect to learn a language and get in a better shape in a short amount of time. You have to be patient for doing this. And maybe do one more lesson each day and one set of push-ups or squats every day, and you'll improve day by day. Today you may know a little to non-German, but in a month or two you may know some expressions and you'll be able to do 10 push-ups or maybe even 15 or 20 in a row, and maybe 20 squats and 10 sit-ups and hold a plank for 1 minute. So just again, be patient and do it with joy.